Can you imagine hiccuping for 68 years? Believe it or not, it happened because of a falling hog. While such extreme cases are rare, we've all experienced those annoying hiccups. But what exactly causes these involuntary hicks? It all starts with the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe. When the diaphragm spasms, it causes a sudden intake of breath. This sudden breath makes the vocal cords snap shut, creating the hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by many things, like eating too quickly or sudden excitement. Sometimes they just happen without any clear reason at all. Though usually harmless, persistent hiccups can be a sign of a medical issue. So next time you hiccup, remember the tiny muscle spasm causing that big annoyance.